Getting that first contract signed is every entrepreneur's hardest task. This is how we got our first Airbnb client and just kept the ball rolling from there. When I decided to do the Airbnb business, I had no idea how to really find clients. And then I thought to myself, who has Airbnbs? And it's that demographic of people who are ages like 35 to 60, and that's the Facebook age. I joined the Airbnb Los Angeles owner group. I said, hey, are there any owners there looking for support or for help? I'd be happy to assist you. The number one thing I did not put was, I'm looking to be a co-host. When homeowners see the word co-host, they literally think that you're just gonna take a percentage and not do any work. In about a week, I had 3 different calls with some owners that were really looking for runners and inspectors. I'd love to go to your Airbnbs, look after your cleaners, inspect, and do all the restocking and all the shopping for it, because these owners actually lived abroad. So they started referring me one after another after another. By the end of about 3 months, I had about 7 clients, but I was not actually managing their Airbnbs. I was not making that percentage. I was charging an hourly rate. People started recognizing us as a cleaning company and not as an Airbnb host. So I kind of had to put a stop to it. I kept my 7 amazing clients, and they're still my clients till this day. But after those 7, I asked them for reviews, and then I really took the initiative to promote ourselves as an Airbnb management company. And that's where the real money started coming in. I now have the leverage to create a Thumbtack account. And for you guys who don't know what Thumbtack is, it is this awesome app that lets you promote like any skill that you have. You could be a property manager, a handyman, a plumber. I think there's even like caretakers, babysitters, like any occupation you need to find is on Thumbtack. I started getting leads, and I had referrals from my 7 clients that I was doing the running and inspecting for. And then I signed my first client as an Airbnb property manager. And I did not use the word co-host. Co-host, again, has a negative connotation. You want to avoid that at all costs. Make yourself sound more professional and call yourself a management company. We became a convenience to these homeowners, and they started paying us full commission. Our first client quickly realized that her Airbnb was true passive income. I took that same approach to these 7 clients. These 7 clients are still communicating and delegating tasks to the landscaper, the plumber, the handyman, the hot tub guy, the pool guy, the cleaner, and then us. So why don't we just eliminate these factors and we could become your one-stop shop? And that's how I won these clients over. These clients finally got their Airbnb to be passive income because they paused delegating all these tasks to 7 different people. Our homeowners quickly saw the value of having a true property manager and not just a co-host, and that is how they trusted us with their homes. And the referrals just kept coming in because we just weren't your typical co-host. We were truly a property manager on the floor, running the show and making sure everything got done. So when you're starting off in this business, make sure that you go above and beyond, you show your homeowners value, you're not a regular co-host, and if you have to stay a few hours late, and if you have to do a little extra touch-up after the cleaners, do it, because these homeowners are paying you a top commission, and you need to show value at the end of the day.